Hey guys, this is a really quick descriptive video of what is under my marine vinyl on my wax bed. So the bed will be like this. This is the full-size memory foam, folded in half. This was the memory foam from the brand Salt at Bath and Body Works. So let me just show you. Very thick. And I have the Sierra Comfort wooden mobile massage table from Amazon. I got mine a few years ago. And being that I use this as my wax bed, I will be covering this with the marine vinyl. Obviously the client never comes in contact with the memory foam itself. It's also charcoal infused, so to prevent odor. And then I have a memory foam pillow that is wrapped in a pillowcase. And that's just folded and left here. So I'll put it right here. Most of my clients, their head can just fit perfectly. It's also curved to support their neck. I know most wax tables, I haven't seen a lot of people with like memory foam on their wax tables, but I thought it would just be a nicer touch, especially being that a lot of these beds, the Sierra Comfort is pretty good. It has, you know, that cushion right here, but some of them more towards the middle where your client's bum would be and their lower back is not very comfortable. So I was able to find my measurements. I got 2 2/3 of the marine vinyl from Joann's Fabric. Really sturdy. Obviously I'm gonna disinfect it after I put it on the bed, before my client gets on the bed. So this would go over your memory foam. And the easiest way that, this obviously isn't straight, but the easiest way that you're going to be able to put it on the bed is upside down. So you're gonna have to lay everything upside down, know exactly where it's gonna be placed as far as if you keep a pillow under the marine vinyl, and as far as the memory foam, you're gonna have to make sure it's exactly in place where you want it, so that when you do turn it back over, everything is as it's supposed to be. So I will post another video showing you how I strap this marine vinyl under the bed. Again, you might want 2 people, but this is DIY. DIY for estheticians, for spas, and it's just fun to try to figure out and do something by yourself. So again, I got this memory foam, this egg crate foam from Bed Bath & Beyond. Usually if you're like a frequent shopper, you get a 20% off discount. And depending on the size you get, my 2 full-size ones that I've gotten from there were a little over 30. Maybe one was like 26 with a discount one time. The twin size one that I just purchased for my lash bed was $16, and that was only because I found it while it was on sale and I got 20% off additional. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to strap in your marine vinyl under your wooden massage table. And again, these beds, they all may be different. This one, I think I know a lot of people who have this specific bed. The way they're made underneath, as far as the pieces and strings to keep the bed together, are fairly the same universally. So this should work pretty fine for anyone, as long as you have your suspenders and your marine vinyl.